loud.
But once you start getting to the point where you want it to hold.
Wow, yours is way better than mine. Yeah, same thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unnatural Spirit Garage. In today's video we'll be exploring Dragway Memories Car Show at the Warplane Heritage Museum in Hamilton. Lots of familiar cars from Cuga and St. Thomas and lots of other nice cars we haven't seen before. Make sure to check out the Dragway Memories YouTube channel. Lots of old school drag content from long before me and Scott were around. April's almost over, and soon enough we'll be at the track. Hopefully in the next week or two we'll have a video out prepping the Spirit for this season. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And as always, hit that like button down below and make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, I think that would be cool. Jake's geeking out over the models.
Yeah, of course he is.
How would you like to have that as a model? Build stuff on.
Yeah, remember that? They bounce in the barrel.
Oh, right, yeah. Dam buster, dam.
There's a broken plane.
Yeah, so that bomber right there would fly in and drop that bunker buster to break the dam. See where it would bounce.
The fluff in the middle of the water.
Skipped it like a rock.
Yeah, so they didn't have to fly so close to those guns. Right? Otherwise they gotta fly right on the top.
Robin had one of these at one point. Well, like not like this, and not with a Hemi. Hey, Robin, look, it actually does have a Hemi. Not just the badge. Hers had badges on it.
I didn't put them on. It was like that when I bought it.
Actually, that's a wrap, I'm pretty sure.
Well, 'cause I want people to bring.
I was really trying to get it ready for the show.
Be careful, hold on tight.
That was so cool. Everybody's standing there, and then there's our brother's cousin.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, dude?
Power glide manually shifted.
Yep, starting switches, don't touch those.
Yeah. I mean, you can still put together something else.
Yeah, we don't want to start it in here, there's too many people, too loud.
$2,000, but once you start getting to the point where
Can't even see him up here. There he is.
Here. You need one of those. Look at it.
ready? Okay,
It's reaction time.
okay, gotta get rid of the sucker.
It's gonna distract you.
It's gonna distract you. Okay, now, when you push down on the button, just do this one for me. Okay? Now, when you push down on the button, this light comes on. When this one comes on, let go of it. Hold it down. You're a little early. Okay, so you know what you're doing now? Hold it down.
Wow, yours is way better than mine.
Try again.
Like, yeah,
Get there.
please.
Okay, try again. It's improving every hit.
I know, right?
It's actually pretty consistent.
It's too easy.
Try it. Just wait a minute.
It's rigged. No, 50, 63 to 61. That's pretty darn consistent. Because the tree doesn't account for the car moving at all.
Yeah.
So anytime that somebody shows me like 3 hits in a row that are close to each other, I go, there's potential.
Yeah. He's got drag racing blood, like 4 generations of it, so.
Oh yeah, what's your name?
Mountjoy. Yep, that would be it.
I go back to the St. Thomas days in the 80s.
Yep.
All right, bud, I think that young lady behind you would like to take a hit if you want to give her a button.
And that last yellow one lights up, let go.
This one here lights up, you let go of the button.
Oh, red light.
Get out of the box.
Thanks again for watching, guys. Like I said, we'll be back in the next week or two with a Spirit Prep video, and here's some photos to finish off the video.